age, you know, she didn't show any signs. He said, I think she's
And peace or middle cancer.
Hey, she's what?
depressed.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Because I think she.
What's that like?
Woo! Good stuff.
Is it too sweet?
You think we're gonna eat that, Cindy?
I can't study.
Fingers. And see what he wants to do.
Well, that's what I was trying to entice him to do, but I don't think he wants to do that.
Yeah. He's just gonna have a good time today.
We may have to go with the cheese poops.
There he goes. Let him do it.
And why?
Yeah, why?
Good.
I think you're gonna have to give him some cheese puffs.
Woo!
Happy birthday.
Uh-oh.
But yeah, on their first birthday, they're supposed to make a mess with their cake. That's a tradition.
And when they're a big boy like Cole is,
They don't make a mess then.
Fish.
Oh,
Fish.
sit down.
I want ice cream right now.
There's pepper in his cup.
kind of.
Uh-huh.
Ice cream
He's
with
looking at it.
He's
mine.
looking at it. Look, at there he goes. He is.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. I think in my
Because
ice
I have a little
cream.
more of that. That's not too bad.
He's like, why are you looking at
Mommy,
me?
are you gonna sit right by me?
I know we're gonna give him a complex.
Yeah.
Mommy, are you
That's
sit
gonna
right